ReluxEnergyCH. With the fee-based license for this add-on, you can create a building evaluation according to the current SIA standard in 6 simple steps. Define the typical project spaces and their parameters. Optionally, you can also import RELUX projects. Define the luminaire types, and the corresponding information to be assigned to the rooms, in the 4th step. Access to the right lighting technology products, from the RELUX partner or ReluxNet, saves time. Create the room book, and its standard use. It is possible to filter the rooms quickly, in the floor menu. Alternatively, the room book can also be imported, and edited as an Excel file in ReluxEnergyCH. Create your building evaluation according to the current standard, and obtain your building permit for energy-conscious planning.